Om Shanti. So, from today to our bhatti of soul consciousness, we are adding up the virtue of tolerance. So, in one of the Murli of 8/6/1971, Avyakt Murli, we'll go through the what Bap Dada is making us understand about tolerance. So, in order to become embodiment of success, you need the main virtue of tolerance. If you want to be successful in everything we do, we need the virtue of mainly tolerance. All other power comes with it. Tolerance is very important power. We have to understand the deep meaning of tolerance because what people generally feel tolerance, anyone told anything and putting my teeth on teeth, I just didn't say anything. That means I tolerated. No, I have filled myself. I have not tolerated. I stopped myself from telling, but again, one day when this balloon will get filled up, it will burst out. It is not the tolerance. Tolerance and easiness will make any task successful. Just as when a patient person carries out a task with after careful consideration, so receives success. In the same way, those who are tolerant are able to make those who have strong, bitter sanskar cool or make a difficult task easy with the power of their tolerance. This is the main power that we need to face Maya, power of tolerance. If we don't have tolerance, we have fear, we have anger, every other vices come with us because we cannot tolerate, then anger, fear, or greed, and even other vices will come. So those who have the power of tolerance can make anyone's bitter sanskar. If anyone is having very bitter sanskar, it will become cool. So those who have the power of tolerance will also definitely be deep and mature. They will be very deep in their thought, not the superficial situation came and I reacted. They will go deep inside the secret of the situation. They will be mature enough. They'll not just be fighting like kids or behaving like immature. Immature is what? Mature is what? It is talking about soul, not that a soul can be mature at any age. The age doesn't matter. But maturity comes with knowledge, and the true knowledge is this. So when we know drama, when we know beginning, middle, and end of this drama, then we will go in deep realization of it about the situation, and then we can easily tolerate. Those who are mature go into the depth, and those who go into depth will never be afraid of any task. They will attain success by going into depth. So any situation came, any task came, I'll not be afraid. I'll go attain success by going into its depth. Those who have the power of tolerance will not allow either the vibration of extroversion or the thoughts that are created in the mind to confuse them or make them afraid. With their power of tolerance, they will be able to face that. So if we have power of tolerance, we will have power to face. Suppose I want to give this knowledge or want to express this feeling that what I am doing is right. I need first power to tolerate because I have fear that they might say something which hurts me. But if I have power of tolerance, I will be able to face them, or it can be any type of situation. So we are afraid that we should not. We are afraid people will say 10 things. We are afraid that family will speak about that and also might stop talking to me. I cannot tolerate, right? So, power of tolerance. We have to go deep behind anything. Suppose somebody stop talking, we are becoming intolerant. Why this happened? What wrong I did? Why they are doing like this? But we should go deep inside that matter. Instead of superficial why and when and who, we should go deep. What is the secret of this, his role? What is visible from the face of those who have the virtue of tolerance? How will know I have the virtue of tolerance or she has the virtue of tolerance? The face of those who have the virtue of tolerance constantly reveals them to be content. They will have contentment on their face. They will not have worries. They will not have sadness. Their eyes and features will never be those of discontentment. So, those who themselves remain the embodiment of contentment will make other content. And whilst walking and moving, they will be experienced and as angels. The virtue of tolerance is very important dharana. First, we have to tolerate. Why Buddha became this much big? First, he tolerated. Why Christ is worshipped? Because he tolerated. So, virtue of tolerance is very important dharana. Very important to imbibe. The more you see the power of tolerance within yourself, according accordingly, you should consider yourself to be content with yourself. If we are tolerant, we'll be contented with ourselves and also others to be content with you. To be content means to attain success. Now we see some kids doing naughty, a simple example. We'll be intolerant. If we are not mature enough, we think they are our property and they should behave as per our judgment. But law, we should not take in our hand. First, second, they are in this unrighteous world. They cannot be 100% right always. Third thing, what they are doing is correct from their opinion. We are seeing them from our own opinion on from our this is the way to go deep. Fourth, they are having this role in the drama. Fifth, if something wrong they have done, the main, the correct method of making them understand and the correct method with which they will really understand is by forgiving them and then accepting them as they are and then giving them teachings. Like this is the small example. So here we develop the power of tolerance because we went deep inside. Whatever happened, we were mature enough. We were not superficial. So Baba is telling, just as when you go to the bottom of the ocean, you emerge with the jewels in the same way. Those who are tolerant go into depth, and through this depth, they are able to attain many powers. Only those who are tolerant can attain the power of churning. Those who are tolerant will constantly remain busy in their own internal churning, and those who are engaged in churning have a stage where they are lost in love. The power of tolerance is very essential. Now, when we are in full love of Baba, we know we have to reveal this love. We have to spread this love to others. And the love for Baba means love for his children. And when we have love, we tolerate. Their faces will be embodiment of virtues. You have to pay this much attention to the inculcation of tolerance. Only those who have tolerance are able to hold the shield of drama. Now, so many things of the world are going to change, and in that, the most important virtue that we need to have is the power to tolerate. If you are not tolerant, it is difficult to get hold of the shield of drama. Only those who are tolerant are able to be detached observer and are able to hold the shield of the drama. Do you pay that much attention to this? Constantly keep one or other virtue in front of you and go into depth of it. So now when we know what power of tolerance is, we should go deep inside this. And now today's Saman we will take VI the soul, a master ocean of love, embodiment of power of tolerance. So today while writing this Saman, we'll write it with deep feeling that I have this power of tolerance, and promise to yourself that we will not superficially react, but we will go deep inside every matter, and then we will speak, think, even speak, or act only after going deep inside any situation. So, power of tolerance in कि मैं आत्मा only कहते हैं. Okay, so let's start. Let's write 11 times. I am master ocean of love, embodiment of power of tolerance. Om Shanti.
मैं आत्मा हूँ शक्ति भरा हर गुण मेरा, शक्ति भरे घर में बसेरा, शक्ति सागर की पहचान हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। मुझ में भरे हैं गुण अपार, गुण सागर ने किया श्रृंगार, गुणों का मैं करती दान हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ।
ओम शांति।
With the Om shining. Om. 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 And now
प्राणों
So now we'll see that supreme power, light, and might is falling on us and charging the center of power of tolerance, cleaning it, charging it, and will give Prakash to the world through this center. So observe the point where that center is and feel the same in you. The light going in that, charging it and coming out. The supreme power just above my head. His light and might charging me. And especially focusing on my center of power of tolerance. Oh, power of tolerance. The Baba's light and might charging you. You're combined with Baba and it is charging your center of power of tolerance like a laser light,
सहन शक्ति
like an injection. Power of tolerance,
सहन शक्ति
power of tolerance, Sahan Shakti,
सहन शक्ति सहन शक्ति सहन शक्ति
power of tolerance,
सहन शक्ति सहन शक्ति सहन शक्ति सहन शक्ति
I'm in Param Dham and Baba's light and might is charging my power of tolerance. एकदम focus, concentrated. Zoom out yourself and see in yourself my center of tolerance, power of tolerance
सहन शक्ति
being charged. Baba is charging, cleaning and invoking this power in me. My power of tolerance is increasing.
सहन शक्ति सहन शक्ति
Power of tolerance is increasing. I'm becoming master, most powerful, full of power of tolerance, master ocean of power of tolerance.
सहन शक्ति सहन शक्ति, सहन शक्ति, सहन शक्ति, सहन शक्ति, सहन शक्ति,
Power of tolerance is increasing. I am with Baba,
सहन शक्ति,
Paramdham. My tolerance is increasing. And now I'm radiating this power of tolerance to the whole world. See yourself radiating this power of tolerance all around. Power of tolerance radiating to the whole world.
सहन शक्ति, सहन शक्ति, सहन शक्ति,
I'm above the globe and radiating this tolerance, power of tolerance to the whole globe.
सहन शक्ति,
It is being absorbed by all elements of nature and all souls of the world, all creatures of the world.
सहन शक्ति,
Power of tolerance radiating outside.
सहन शक्ति,
Power of tolerance and now same way the virtue of love, we will see ourselves as a point of light. We are as a soul traveling to Paramdham again. A master ocean of love. And I reached Paramdham, point of light, Shiv Baba, ocean of love, charging me with virtue of love, power of love. I'm combined with him. The virtue center of love is getting charged.
प्रेम,
The center of love getting charged. Love,
प्रेम,
love, prem.
प्रेम,
Prem,
प्रेम,
prem. Feel it getting charged. Focus, concentrate. Prem,
प्रेम
प्रेम,
प्रेम
प्रेम,
प्रेम
प्रेम,
प्रेम प्रेम
प्रेम.
प्रेम
And with its charging, all the other related virtue of love, prem is coming inside me, emerging in me. I, the soul, am becoming master ocean of love. प्रेम का मास्टर, प्रेम का सागर.
प्रेम प्रेम
प्रेम,
प्रेम
getting cleansed and charged.
प्रेम 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 प्रेम
प्रेम,
प्रेम प्रेम
I'm becoming full of divine love, charged with love. And now, above the globe, I'm radiating this energy of love to the whole world.
प्रेम
I'm master ocean of love. I'm master ocean of love.
प्रेम
I'm master ocean of love. Master ocean of love. Master ocean of love.
प्रेम
Rain.
प्रेम प्रेम प्रेम
Light and might of love
प्रेम
radiating to the whole globe, to the nature,
प्रेम
and to all souls of the world. And now, after charging these two, we'll do the drill. And the first drill we'll do, a long time we have not done, is Yeah, we'll also take Dristi of Bap Dada. See, we are in front of Bap Dada in Guljar Dadi body. Baba, we are making effort to go deep into the power of tolerance, as you told. Realize and go depth of each virtue. Baba, guide us to that extent. You are the Karan Karavanhar. We are your instrument. Baba, make us embodiment of power of tolerance and master of love like you, ocean of love like you. Be Bap Dada, very happy with the effort we are making, and He is completely with us. He is guiding our journey to this effort. Baba, next few minutes we'll do drill, and then in Param Dham, we'll again go deep into this power of tolerance and virtue of love. And after that, we'll give Sakash to the whole world. Guide us, take us to this deep journey so that we can collect the pulse of wisdom, pulse of experience of this power and virtue. And feel Bap Dada kept his hand on your head, telling, victory is your birthright, my child. And Bap Dada is always with you. Taking blessing of Bap Dada, starting our drill again. See yourself as complete light body. The drill is of point of light and angel. See yourself as angel above the globe, giving the light and might of love and power to all. And now, as point of light in Param Dham, getting charged with virtue of love and power of tolerance, the green and red light charging both the centers. combined with Papa, immersed in love. And now, angel of love, angel of tolerance, in front of Bap Dada, complete transparent, Baba's light and might on me, and from me to all souls of the world, the light, might, and divine insight. And I'll point of light again, Paramdham, where Baba, Shiv Baba, all our sins are getting burned. The seed and I'm master seed. I'm ancestor soul. Even for all souls on a cult tree, the sins are getting burned. Gain point of light in Paramdham. Getting charged, powerful combination. No other thought, blank. And again, complete light transparent body. Angel front of Bap Dada, in his arms, in his love. And now, from here, we'll go to Paramdham, and in silence, we'll go deep inside the virtue of love and tolerance. Baba will give experience. See yourself in Paramdham and see Baba as ocean of love, ocean of tolerance. Baba, you are ocean of tolerance. Love and tolerance goes together. If you have love, you have tolerance. Baba is mother, Shiv Mama. He tolerated all that we did without having sign of tolerance. His ocean of satisfaction, contentment.
बहुत मीठी मीठी स्वीट साइलेंस के स्टेज के अनुभव में खो जाओ। silence.
And now with Baba, I'm coming down above the globe as angel of love, an angel of tolerance. Now see yourself. How do you see the world as angel of love, an angel of tolerance? What you will do if somebody abuses you? You are standing in front of the world, but not understanding who you are. The world is abusing you. Though you are light, but what is going in your intellect? Will you get anger? Will you still give them love? If you will tolerate, with what heart you will tolerate? The angel is one who don't have vices in them. I see myself facing the world, and that's why I'm an angel. I can face anyone with the power of tolerance, still giving them love, because I can see them under the poisonous effect of Maya, under the poisonous effect of vices, body consciousness. They themselves don't know what they are doing, what they are saying. I'm seeing them same as I see animals shaking up their mouth, but having pity on them because they are my soul brothers. And I am an instrument of God to also raise them as I have raised, because once I was on their side. I am angel because I am now not affected by their sanskars, because their sanskars is their reflection. But now I am representative of God, so my reflection is my Father's sanskar in me, is reflecting Him in me. I have forgotten the old world and have only one relation with Supreme Father. And with this feeling of benevolence, of good wishes and good thought for them, the light of might of Baba is freely flowing through me and reaching out to every soul of the world. I'm angel of love, power of tolerance, All souls are becoming loveful and powerful. They can tolerate everything with love. Love for the soul brother. They have become polite, sweet and contented because of power of tolerance. They are contented with themselves and with the world. There is happiness, love all around. And in my all action, deeds and words, with firmness, I decide to be an angel of tolerance and love all day long. Whether I came in contact with any relation or friends, animals, or the nature, I'll be loveful and tolerant and will go deep and react maturely, not immediately, with patience. I am Master Ocean of Love, embodiment of power of tolerance. I am Master Ocean of Love, embodiment of power of tolerance. I am Master Ocean of Love, embodiment of power of tolerance. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Om Shanti. I now coming down and merged with my body, and inside the body also. I am bodiless. And now, again, I am in front of the Drishti of Bap Dada. And with his blessing, to be a Karma Yogi Farishta, to be a angel while in action. I go to my daily course. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti.